Yes, me ask today if you ever see a girl, me look like me no know what, something when it push dragging out a door. Yeah, me I go to the spa with my mother. Yes, me need to come back to cause right now your girl no look good. Me no look good at all, me no look good at all. Yeah, me alright man. Oh Lord, me I get up in a age, me I get old, love. Me have a little headache. What was I doing last night? I wasn't doing much, you know. Yeah, I don't know, because everybody was sick in the house before, and I don't know if it's trying to get me, but right now, the Lord Jesus, me mash up. Yeah, me did have a little drink last night. Me did have a little drink, yes, it wasn't much. Yeah, me I leave a whole bottle of champagne. Yeah, why me drink disturb you? Lads, worry about your underneath, love. Worry about your underneath. Because right now get service. You need servicing. Hillary, you need servicing. Anyway, yeah, me look a young time boy where I service you know, eh? So you're alright. Listen, Hillary, let me talk to you later. Me I try jumping in the shower and get ready to go at the spa. Yes, me I bring my mother to the spa. Me I spend some quality time with my mother. Yes, I can get her nails done and the feet done and everything. Yes, I sort myself out and look good. You know, so me have to look good, you know, Hillary. You know, so me have to look good. Yes, for the people there. You know that already. I didn't know about the rough left, right, and center. Eh. But me don't want nobody from here. Archangel Michael, the angelical one, the fit one, me I try to entice. Me end up good enough. Me end up good enough. Me too much. Lord of mercy. Oh my Lord. Yeah. Alright then, me talk to you later. Alright? Little more man. Little more. Yeah. Listen, Hillary, me have to go. Somebody I try to get me. And it look like I'm Miss Pinky. And Lord Jesus, me have to take our car. I don't know what Miss Pinky up to, but we're gonna find out. Yeah, alright. Yes, hello. Welcome to Miss Pinky Health Services. How can I help you? Hi. Yes, Mr. Reddick. That's your name, right? Yes, I was going over your medical files, and before we can do the procedures, I need you to answer some questions for me. Is that okay? Do you have time to do that now? Okay. So, what is your date of birth? October 12th, 1966. Yes. Okay, are you in good medical condition for this procedure? Yes? Okay. Another thing, what is the main purpose why you want this medical procedure done? Okay. Your wife says she's gonna leave you because your body too small? Oh. Yes. Approximately when you came in for the physical examination, how many inches did they say you measured? 2 inches? Sorry sir, I didn't mean to laugh. Lord Jesus. You're practically, I can't get the words out straight, a unicorn. Oh, yeah, I can understand why you want the, penis implant. Yes, I totally understand, because 2 inch now gonna make it stop. You just have to tickle your wife. We can understand the frustration, because 2 inches are nothing. So the recommendation, since you do have 2 inches, we haven't got much to play with. No. You want 15 inch? Laksa, you want to kill your wife? You want to kill your wife? No, love. Me not do 15 inches. No, sorry. Me don't know of any other medical facility that do 15 inches. The most we can give you is between 8 to 12. Yes. Anything over 12 inches against the Lord. Huh? What, you want to mash up your wife? No. Well, my recommendation for you would be about 10. Yes, because you see, if you did have a little bit more, we could stretch it to 12, but since we're only working with 2 inch, we can only stretch it to 10 inch. Yeah? 10 inch are plenty, sir. 10 inch are plenty. Unless something wrong with your wife down there. 10 inch good man, she'd be happy. Well, we do have an opening for tomorrow morning at 9. Do you think you can make it at 9? Yes, because it's going to take at least 12 hours for you to recover. So if you come in 9 in the morning, then you can leave 9 at night. Yes. But you won't be able to have sex for another 48 hours after the procedure is done. Yes. Because you'd have to come back in the office after the 48 hours, and I would have to do a full examination. Yes. Yes, may I have to sample it before you go your wife? Yeah, how you mean? May I have to see if it work proper? No, love, may I have to see if it work proper? It will be me and you in that office there. Yes, may I have to sample. Everybody that coming for a penis implant, may I have to sample them after the procedures. That's protocol. Yes, love. That's how Miss Pinky operate. Yes. Okay, make sure you do not eat or drink anything after midnight. So you're going to be going NPO, nothing by mouth. Okay? Yes, and we will see you 9 o'clock sharp in the morning. Yeah, Missa? One more thing before you hang up the phone. I need your insurance information. Who is your insurance? Obamacare. Yes? And plus you have Blue Shield to back up? Blue Shield. Alright, the procedure, I don't think they told you, is approximately $5,000. Yes, $5,000. Don't complain. Because you're gonna thank me. Because right now, nothing now go on for you, sir. Nothing now go on. So nobody complain about the little $5,000? Eh? Me, listen, that's why I don't like Jamaican people. You're Jamaican, you know, me see 95, you're Jamaican. Me a stretch the little two big unicorn inch where you have down there. We can't do nothing but tickle somebody. Eh? Right? Me pussy have more than you. And me a stretch it to 10 inch and you go on so to pay $5,000 for your little man order. That's do better than that, man. You want the penis implant or you don't want the penis implant? Which one? I mean, I have time for ways, you know. You know, must cause me get a day and me I'll rush it in tomorrow morning to do the procedure. You want it? Alright then, well don't complain. The insurance gonna cover it. All you have to do is cover the co-payment, which is $500. What's wrong with you? The balance of $4,500, the insurance will cover it because you got good coverage. What happened to you? Lux, man. Nobody should have go on like that, Miss Pinky. Now tell me that. Come here, do you a favor. You're lucky me I stretch 2 inch to 10 inch. Me should I give you 6 inch and see what you do with that. Yes, so just quiet and give God the glory. Alright then, we'll see you in the morning. Alright, yeah. Hillary, but you come here at the office. You don't know, so me have another business. What do you mean how much business me have? Listen, money talk, bullshit walk. Me need my money. Me know so me have the escort service. I mean know so me have the nightclub. Well, guess what, girl? Me have a little medical center. Miss Pinky Medical Center. Yes, me only do penis implants. Yes, with the doctor. Yeah. A big money, that you know. Big money, me dear. But you know, my lifestyle, high. Here I fi do, nails I fi do. Yeah. Oh, Hillary, me have to go because me have to make preparation for this young man with him little boat. Me have to stretch it from 2 inch to 10 inch. Lord Jesus, everybody ever see me die in trial. Yes, and him a complain, but he want 15 inch. Actually, he want kill his wife. That poor woman, they would not be able to walk. Make him satisfied with the little 10 inch, yeah? 10 inch is plenty. Lord Jesus, me would have run. Yeah. Me talk to you a little later. Yeah, because me have a few paperwork for them. Me feel locked down and closed down the medical center now because time I go back now. Yeah.